Welcome back. Now, under basics of Python, let us talk about characters in Python. Before that, let us understand ASCII and Unicode characters. See, ASCII defines only 128 characters, which primarily used for English characters and basic symbols. But Unicode encompasses a much larger set, over 1,49,000 characters, to represent alphabets from many different languages, mathematical symbols, emojis, and various other special characters. Okay, and here this ASCII is subset of Unicode, where first 128 characters of Unicode match exactly with the characters and their corresponding binary codes defined in ASCII. So ASCII is a proper subset of Unicode. And each character in Unicode standard, including letters, digits, symbols, special characters, is assigned a unique code point, which is an integer value. Please note this particular point, sir. Each character in Unicode standard assigned a unique code point, and which is an integer value. Okay. Now let us talk about characters in Python. See, the character set of any programming language refers to set of characters that are recognized and used by that particular language. And what are the characters which are recognized and used by Python language? All Unicode characters. Python supports all Unicode characters, including letters, digits, symbols, and control characters. And we already know that each Unicode character has a unique code point, which is like a unique identifier. So each Unicode character has a unique identifier, typically a code point, which is an integer value. Now, Python provides two functions to interact with characters and their code points. The first one is odd function. The second one is CHR function. Okay. So this odd function returns the Unicode point of a character, whereas char function converts Unicode point to its corresponding character. So let us explore this, my dear friends. Don't worry. Here I just given some characters. So let us explore. So using odd function for any character, you can write in single quote or double quote, sir. For any character, we can get the corresponding code point or Unicode code point. Am I clear? So, for example, capital A. You all know what is the ASCII value. The same thing you are going to get 65. Right? So, because this will match with the ASCII values. First 128 characters of Unicode are exactly same as ASCII values. And what about capital Z? Which is 90. Small a, 97. Small z, 122. 0, 48. 9, 57. So if you want to check other symbols which are available in your keyboard, you can try all those symbols. So you can get their code point. Okay. So hash symbol, 35. Dollar symbol, 36. Not only this, here I just given some characters. Let us explore with this. Okay. So these are Unicode symbols, emojis. So even for emojis, we are having, oh, sorry. Even for emojis, we are having the code point. So this monkey emoji. Even for this, we have a code point. So here what this odd function will do, sir, it returns the Unicode point of a character. Now you can also use print function to print that. See, here we are using it in a interactive mode. You can also use it in script mode. You'll get the same value. Now, for this Unicode, you want to get the character. So for that, you have to use CHR function. So this Unicode point, if you give it as argument to this character function, you are going to get that particular emoji. You can see this. Is that clear? So not only this, you take any symbol. Okay, you take any symbol. So here this is a new number, right? So let us try this. And for this, let us see what is the emoji. So you can try. You can also try this alphabets. Here I just given some, okay, Telugu, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam. You can try all alphabets of Indian languages or alphabets of any other language. Okay, you can work with any of these symbols, my dear friends. So this particular odd function will return the code point for that particular character. It is 3093. So in this character function, if you give this 3093 as the argument, you are going to get this symbol or character. Okay. So Unicode character, every Unicode character can be used in Python language. And Python allows you to directly include Unicode characters in the string using escape sequence within single or double quotes. So you can also use this, Unicode characters together with this escape sequence. So here we are having \x HH represents a character with a hexadecimal code point of 2 digits. Here this is a, hexadecimal code point. We are getting only integer code point, but here this HS must be hexadecimal code point. Okay, here I just given one thing. See, for example, if you are having hexadecimal code point of 4 digits, you can use this particular one. Okay, and if it is hexadecimal code point of 8 digits, we can use this particular representation. Okay, here for example, you can see for this particular one. Okay, so this particular one, because it is having hexadecimal code point of 8 digits, we can use \U, that 8 digits hexadecimal code point. So if you run this, you are going to get this. See, actually, if you take this particular fellow and if you print hexadecimal value of this fellow, you can, okay, I think there is some mistake, some unmatching things are happening. So ordinal value you are getting. So let us try this. So the character must be within quotes. Characters must be within quote. You can see 1F60A. This is the hexadecimal format of this particular character. Emoji. Emojis are also characters. Okay, so please note this. So this is how we can use characters. Actually, you can create the entire string. You can create the entire string. For example, let us take this entire string. Directly the characters can be used. Suppose if you are having some text in a Hindi language, Telugu language, or with emojis and all, you can directly print this also. No problem. You can print it with, with this / escape sequence character, or directly you can print all these characters. So it is printed as it is. No problem. Am I clear? So you can use all these characters. How you use hello? H is a character, E is a character, L is a character, L is a character, O is a character. You can use all these characters. Okay. So here what happens? Hello is printed. Similarly, all these characters are printed. Is that clear? And before closing this, please note this point. While Python strings are Unicode based, they are stored internally using a specific character encoding, which is usually UTF-8. Of course, there are other encodings like UTF-16 also. See, this encoding scheme translates Unicode points into sequence of bytes for efficient storage and transmission. So the characters are not stored as it is. Even ASCII characters are not stored as it is. They are converted to binary code. Here what happens, this Unicode characters are converted to this UTF-8 encoding or any other encoding which your particular system or your particular programming language is using. Is that clear? So this is about characters in Python.